Your furnace is blasting heat every day. It's reasonable to assume your pipes are safe. But what if I tell you that's not the case? Every winter, several homeowners experience frozen pipes in houses that are fully heated. Here's why that happens.
60 pounds of pressure. Okay? That would fill your house up.
1. Heat doesn't reach every pipe. Your furnace heats living spaces, not your pipe pathways. And most homeowners ignore that. Pipes usually run through areas like basements, crawl spaces, garages, exterior walls, or cabinets, which are much colder than the rest of the house. So, if a pipe sits near an outside wall or in an uninsulated cavity, the surrounding temperature can drop below freezing even while your living room feels warm. Even if you raise the temperature on your thermostat, the situation will stay the same. 2. Poor insulation. Most homeowners believe insulation is just for comfort, and that's further from the truth. When insulation is missing, damaged, or incorrectly installed, cold air can penetrate wall cavities and reach your pipes. In some cases, insulation is placed on the wrong side of a pipe, which ends up trapping cold air instead of blocking it. At Superior Plumbing and Heating, we've seen this mistake more times than you can imagine. A customer had his pipes insulated, but they were installed improperly, which ended up freezing the pipes instead of stopping them. 3. Air leaks. Small air leaks can cause bigger problems than you can imagine. Cracks around foundation walls, sill plates, or vent penetrations allow cold outdoor air to flow directly over pipes. This moving air strips away heat faster than still air. Even a small opening can freeze a pipe overnight during extremely cold days.
The pad runs the length of the surface of the concrete foundation and even along the vertical members.
4. Stagnant water. During winters, water that isn't moving freezes more easily. Pipes supplying water to rarely used fixtures, such as guest bathrooms, outdoor taps, and laundry sinks, are particularly vulnerable. When water sits still, it has more time to drop to freezing temperatures than water in the master bedroom and kitchen.
I'm going to show you here. As long as that water continues to move, it's less likely to freeze as compared to when it's sitting still in your pipes.
In these scenarios, turning up your thermostat won't make a difference because your furnace will only heat the air you live in. Raising the temperature will only stress your HVAC system and raise your bills. Have you experienced frozen pipes in winter? Comment below.